welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie, and guys, thanks much for all my beautiful subscribers that return to watch my video on a weekly basis. So today I will be cooking mango habanero chicken alongside some veggie rice and I'll also be doing some mango juice because we have mango now in abundance. So I will use the mango and the carrot to create a juice. Let's get started. So here goes my chicken, but I already cleaned and seasoned this chicken from last night. So I will just give it a little more rub at this point, and also I will be adding some turmeric powder. Adding some turmeric powder, not a lot because I don't want it to look like curry chicken. And I'm getting to wrap these. While I'm doing this, I will just have my oven preheated, so I will preheat the oven at 350. Now that I have the oven started and preheated, I will just coat my baking tray. Not much. So now I will just stick the chicken. I'll just place the chicken in the I'm trying to let them fit seated nicely. So now this is finished, but the oven is not heated as yet. So I'll wait a little bit on the oven to be heated. I'll just place this here, and now I will start with the rice. First I will cut a can of coconut milk, and I'm using Grace coconut milk. I'll add some water. Then I will put this to boil to custard stage. So now I will add my vegetable to the coconut milk. I'll also add a Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll open this one because they're not so hot. Now the oven is preheated. I'll place the chicken in the oven. Put it here. So now guys, I'll add some butter to the rice pot or the peas pot. Add a little butter. And I'm using the pink salt. Love it. And I'll grate some nutmeg for the rice. So that's much. Awesome. So while the chicken is in the oven, the rice is getting down to the peas is getting down to custard in the coconut milk. I will just start peeling my fruits for the juice. And I'm boiling the carrot basically because I don't want to throw away anything. I don't want to throw away the trash from the carrot. I want to use it in the punch as well. But if I don't boil the carrot, now I have to strain it. So now I will just add the rice in the pot. But I'll give it a wash first. And I'm using the Grace brown parboiled rice. Wow, the water is delicious, so the rice is going to be tasting nice. So now guys, I will just go ahead and start peeling the mangoes. You know, just preparing the mango for the juice. Because it's a juice, I will use these ones. So now guys, the mango is finished. I will check the carrot because I put them to partially boil. So now they're parboiled. I will remove it from the fire. Oh yes, perfect. And I'll put it through the blender right away. I let it sit there because it's hot, so I want it to cool down a little bit more. Okay, just checking on the rice. And now I'll just add the mango to the carrot. I better do it this side. So the carrot is partially cooked, as I've said before. Now I add the mangoes. Now I blended ginger, I will just strain it. While I have 2 jugs to play with, I will just pour it there, and then I pour this one in it. Wow, delicious. Now it's better. So better with the ginger. Now I'll just set this in the fridge to have it cool. So now guys, I will check in on the chicken. Wow, very nice. Very lovely. So now I will just baste the chicken. I'll use the same juice and baste the chicken. Now I am gonna make a sauce for the chicken. Okay guys, so this is the mango for chicken. First I'll cut a piece of pepper. And remember guys, habanero, it's all about peppers. I don't want too much yellow because the mango is already yellow. And I'll do a bit of ginger. And then some onion. So I'll use half of a medium-sized onion. So guys, I'm blanching some rapini. So I will just put them in the pot for maybe 3 minutes or so. 2 minutes should be good enough for rapini. Chop garlic. I'll put the garlic first. So the rapini is already blanched. So I'll remove this one from the fire. I'll put 2 cubes of ice just to cool it down. So that way the rapini won't overcook. So I'll put it in some ice. Now I'll add all of this ground provision to the sauce. Just add all of this ground provision to the sauce. So this is the juice that I have strained from the chicken. The rice is finished, guys, nice and shelly. Now guys, I will just check the chicken to see what is happening here. So guys, this is the mango habanero sauce. I will put some in this bowl and try to mix it with other sauce. So the only sauce that I will add to it is sweet chili sauce, because sweet chili is still a pepper based, sweety peppery kind of thing, and that's the taste that I'm going for. And I will add just a small amount of ketchup. I'll put a little bit of water. Taste. Okay, very spicy. Pour this to the mixture. And also I will put a little mango juice. But oh no, I have the real one here. I'll use this mango juice. Awesome. Oh yeah. Nicely. Look at it. Now I'll stick it back. Now I'll place it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Now guys, it's at the end. So now I am going to be plating and I am going to be eating. There we have it, guys. Lovely dish, mango habanero chicken with some vegetable rice, mangoes and a little veg. And also I have a lovely glass of mango carrot juice. Guys, please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Delicious. Taste it yourself. Delicious, very delicious, guys. Delicious, very palatable. Love it. This is refreshing and nice. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.